Friends, from this video onwards we are going to solve practice set 6.2, lesson 6, factorization of algebraic expressions of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. The questions are all based upon the formula of a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube separately, not within the bracket, which is equals to a plus b multiplied by, in the second bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. So let's go. First question is x cube plus 64y cube. X cube plus 64y cube. Students, there are cubes, they are separate, means we can use the formula of a cube plus b cube. So let's write the formula first. A cube plus b cube, which is equals to, in the first bracket, a plus b. See, this is the product, these are the factors. A plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. Please observe the formula carefully. What are the things there are in the formula? In the formula, a cube, b cube, a and b, two variables, their third index. A plus b, a and b, right? A square, b square, means in the formula what do we require? We require a, we require a square, we require a cube. Three indices of a are there. A raised to 1, which is nothing but a. And what is given in the question? X cube plus 64y cube. Please remember, this x cube and 64y cube are cube of few numbers, because this x cube is nothing but a cube, 64y cube is nothing but b cube, means 64y cube is cube of some, x cube is also cube of some. So we have to find out from this a cube and b cube, we have to find out a and b first. This is the most important part of this question. First find out a and b from this 60 x cube and 64y cube. So how to find it out? Find out the cube root of both of the terms. Cube root of x cube is x, right? So this x cube is nothing but cube of x. Cube of 64y cube, we learnt in the third lesson. In such cases, we have to find out cube of 64 separately, cube of y separately. Cube of 64 is 4 and cube of y cube is y. So this is nothing but cube of 4y. So a cube is nothing but cube of x, b cube is nothing but cube of 4y, means a is equal to x and b is equal to 4y. So at the place of a you can write x, at the place of b you can write 4y. Why I have explained you all this? Because few students are doing one mistake. What are they doing? They are using the given expression at the place of a and b. How they are writing? They are writing as, suppose a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, in the second bracket a square minus ab plus b square, then x cube plus 64 y cube is equals to, at the place of a they are writing x cube, at the place of b they are writing 64y cube. Now students, at the place of a cube is x cube, at the place of a is x cube. Is it possible that a cube is equals to a? Is it possible? It's never possible. A cube is never equals to a. So a cube is x cube, b cube is 4y cube, means we have to find out from this a cube, we have to find out a, right? And from b cube we have to find out b, right? So how to find it out? By finding their cube roots, that will see. So please students, first of all find out cube root of the given numbers. So if we will find out cube root, then it is easy to replace in the formula. Okay, so a cube plus b cube is equals to x cube plus 4y cube. So a is equal to x and b is equal to 4y. Now a plus b is x plus 4y. At the place of a square, what I have to write? Square of a. What is a? A is nothing but x. So here I will write x square minus a. A is nothing but x multiplied by b. B, what we have found? B is 4y multiplied by 4y. And this multiplication you can directly write. 4y into x is 4xy. You can directly write it as equals to minus 4xy plus b square. What is equals to b? B is nothing but 4y. So we have to find out square of 4y. Square of 4y is 16y square. And finish, students. You have done your answer in one line only. You got it? So students, the steps: first, find out the cube root of the given cubes. That is the most important part. So by finding out cube root, you will easily come to know what is meant by a, what is meant by b, and then you can replace it. 125p cube plus q cube. If you will compare it with a cube plus b cube, this 125 is cube of a and q is cube of b. So let's find what is meant by a and what is meant by b. So 125p cube is cube of 5p, right? 125p cube is cube of 5p and q cube is cube of q, right? Now we know if a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into the first bracket multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square in the second bracket. Therefore, at the place of a cube, what will be there? 5p. At the place of a, 5p. At the place of q, cube. So 5p cube plus q cube is equals to, at the place of a, replace 5p. At the place of b, replace q. So 5p plus q in the second bracket. At the place of a square, find the square of a. What is a? A is 5p. So 5p square minus a into b. A is nothing but 5p into q. B is nothing but q. So into q. So you can directly write it as 5pq plus b square means q square. Okay, and this 5p square we can directly write. See, these examples now we are going to write in one sentence only. So square of 5p is 25p square. Finish. 125k cube plus 27m cube. Once again, students, first step, what we have to do? Find out cube root of both of the terms. Cube root of 125 is 5. Cube root of 125k cube is 5k, right? So this first term 125k cube is nothing but cube of 5k. Find out cube root of second. Cube root of 27 is 3. So cube root of 27m cube is 3m. Okay, and this 27m cube is nothing but cube of 3m. Okay, students, you can verify in the rough section or let it be. Okay, now we know how to use the formula. Here we can use the formula of a plus b cube. So we can say we know, or if. It's your choice whether to write these 3 dots or whether to write this 1, 2, space 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. Okay, and I hope no one will forget the spelling of this. That is okay. So if a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b multiplied by a square minus AB plus B square, then A cube is nothing but 5K cube plus B cube is nothing but 3M cube is equals to A plus B means 5K plus 3M, right? In the second bracket, A square means square of 5K. What is the square of 5K? Square of 5 is 25. Square of K is K square. So square of 5K is 25K square. Minus A into B. 5K multiplied by 3M. 5 3s are 15. K into M. Km. So 15 km. Plus B square. B is nothing but 3M. Square of 3M is 9M square. Square of 3 is 9. Square of M is M square. Done, students. This is our final answer. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.